Welcome to this edition of Macro Monday. Once again, I'm going to be ditching my posh Nikon lens and attaching a 40 odd year old Pentacon 30mm backwards using this little reversing ring. So this is the filter thread which I am screwing onto the adapter, and that now lets me stick the lens backwards onto my Nikon. Over the last few weeks, for these Macro Monday videos, I've photographed quite a few different things. Water droplets, insects, oil, flowers. This week I'm trying to photograph ants. The ants are small and they move fast. They're not easy to photograph, but I thought I'd have a decent go at them this week. I've a few ideas how to stack the odds in my favour, and I think this is going to result in, hopefully, something usable. Firstly, I'm going to use a little bit of sugar sprinkled on this shelf, and hopefully that'll encourage the ants to come and collect it. Well, the sugar helped, but I think a sugar solution, so just sugar and water, might be even more attractive, easier for them to access. So I'll mix up this sugar solution, put that down, and see how we get on with that. Just going to pour the solution onto a leaf to give me a nice coloured background. It's definitely helping having the sugar solution. There's more and more ants starting to visit. It's a shame that it's quite windy and that the sun's popping in and out behind clouds, which is making things a little bit more difficult for lighting. Ants are definitely the trickiest subject I've covered so far. I've struggled with them. I think the limitation of this setup is the lack of depth of field and the lack of focusing ability. You can only focus by moving the camera forwards and backwards, and it's quite tricky when those subjects are really small and moving around so much. Hope you've enjoyed it today, and we'll see you next week. Cheers!